Good morning, students. This is Singh sir. Welcomes you to our favorite YouTube channel. So, students, today we shall discuss chapter number 15, Standard 5, Grammar section English, Future Continuous Tense. What is future continuous tense? We use the future continuous tense when an action is in progress at a given future time. For example, when I get back, they will be having dinner. Number 2, we shall be having coffee after dinner as usual. For positive statements, the verb form is shall or will plus be verb plus V1 मतलब verb 1 plus ing form. V1 plus ing form. For example, he will be living in a few days. He will be living in a few days. Number 2, we shall be seeing him tomorrow. For negative sentences, the verb form is shall or will plus not plus be plus V1 plus ing. For example, we will not be living in a few days. Number 2, we shall not be seeing him tomorrow. For questions, shall or will is used before the subject. For example, will he be living in a few days? Then another example I am giving you. Shall you be seeing him tomorrow? Or when shall we be seeing him? Here is an important note for you. Write it down in your paper. Just as the present continuous is used for a definite near future, so also the future continuous is used for a definite but not so definite near future. Let us discuss some examples. All these can be used to express near future. I am doing these exercises tomorrow. This is present continuous. I shall be doing these exercises tomorrow. This is future continuous. I shall do these exercises tomorrow. This is future simple. Then I am going to do these exercises tomorrow is our verb plus ing or going to plus V1. Once again, is are plus going to plus V1. Let us solve the exercises as well. So students, let us do the exercise. Put the verbs in brackets into the future continuous tense. At this time tomorrow I sit in the train. Answer. At this time tomorrow I shall be sitting in the train. Number 2. Misha and Chinky live in Mumbai at this time next year. Answer. Misha and Chinky will be living in Mumbai at this time next year. Number 3. The sky is dark. It rains before you reach home. Answer. The sky is dark. It will be raining before you reach home. Number 4. When you come back, I pack my luggage. Answer. When you come back, I shall be packing my luggage. Number 5. I play in the ground when you come in the evening. Answer. I shall be playing in the ground when you come in the evening. Number 6. You do geometry next year. Answer. You will be doing geometry next year. Number 7. I wait for you when you come out. Answer. I shall be waiting for you when you come out. Number 8. He drive his new car this afternoon. Answer. He will be driving his new car this afternoon. So let us discuss part 2. Rewrite the following in the future continuous. Use the future time adverbs given in brackets. He is sleeping. In the bracket at 4 o'clock. It is the adverb. So we have to use them properly. Answer. He will be sleeping at 4 o'clock. He will be sleeping at 4 o'clock. She is doing her homework. The adverb is after super. Answer. She will be doing her homework after super. Number 3. He is traveling. In the bracket there is adverb all night. So the answer is he will be driving all night. Number 4. They are studying English. In the bracket there is for 2 more years. Answer. They will be studying English for more 2 years. Number 5. He is writing to her. There is adverb next week. Answer. He will be writing to her next week. Number 6. It is raining. In the bracket there is adverb when you come back. This is adverb of time. So the answer is it will be raining. It will be raining when you come back. Then third part. Express each of the following sentences in 4 different ways as shown in the example. Here is the first example is given to you. We shall start tonight. A. B. We shall be starting tonight. C. We are starting tonight. D. We are going to start tonight. So, here is the second question for you. Number 2. We shall study grammar in the next period. Answer. We shall study grammar in the next period. We shall be studying grammar in the next period. We are studying grammar in the next period. Then we are going to study grammar in the next period. Number 2. They will spend their next holiday at Simla. Answer. They will be spending their next holiday at Simla. See, they are spending their next holiday at Simla. D. They are going to spend their next holiday at Simla. Number 4. She will come in a minute. A. She will come in a minute. B. She will be coming in a minute. C. She is coming in a minute. D. She is going to come in a minute. Number 5. Our friends will visit us tomorrow. A. Our friends will visit us tomorrow. B. Our friends are visiting us tomorrow. C. In B, our friends will be visiting us tomorrow. C. Our friends are visiting us tomorrow. D. Our friends are going to visit us tomorrow. Then, next, number 6. I shall invite my friends to the party. A. I shall invite my friends to the party. B. I shall be inviting my friends to the party. C. I am inviting my friends to the party. D. I am going to invite my friends to the party. So students, this is the end of the class, and if you are satisfied with these teachings, then give us like, comment or share. So in my next video I shall discuss chapter number 16. तब तक के लिए